Welcome to the Jennie Richards neighborhood in Westford, Massachusetts. This sunny, spacious colonial is built for the way families truly live and entertain today. The owners have used organic products to keep the yard lush and environmentally friendly. And a wooded area behind the lot provides privacy, and the size and shape of the yard gives plenty of options to play and relax. The open floor plan has been tested for entertaining large gatherings, and it passed. An oversized kitchen, family room, and an enormous screened-in porch all seamlessly connect. Skylights, oversized windows, and picture windows keep the home light and bright throughout. Quality construction by a noted local builder are easy to notice both inside and out. In this prime location, inside Route 495, you have your own quiet retreat, plus easy access to major routes and outstanding shopping. Is this your forever home? Come see.